Cailler Chocolate Factory.
So once we have everybody, I'll try.
This is similar to
Okay, so welcome everybody to this automatical visit. I have some information, sorry. The first one, please everybody stands on.
It was a gift from the gods and sacred to the Aztecs. But also cocoa beans. And he taught them how to prepare chocolate. Chocolate was bitter, strong, and blood red. It was drunk before battles and during secret rituals. It was considered who, intoxicated by the mysterious drink, rushed to the seashore and let himself be carried out into the ocean on a raft. I will return, he called to the people, and disappeared. People awaited his return. And then suddenly, in 1519, a comet appeared in the sky. The earth shook. And as the sun rose, a ship became visible. The ship was not Quetzalcoatl, but the Spanish conqueror, Hernán Cortés. Cortés was shown great respect, presented with a cocoa tree, and he destroyed the Aztec Empire in the form of cocoa. Cocoa provided the Aztecs not only with a form of pleasure, but also a means of payment. 10 beans for a rabbit, while a slave cost 100. In 1528, the Spanish king, society ladies in particular, couldn't get enough of it. A real craving had taken hold of them. The Devil's Drink, a barbaric Indian invention. The Dominican order refused to try the chocolate. An insidious drink with the power to overeat. In Italy and arrived in France. The chocolate was whipped and thick and taken lying down.
Taken lying down. That's so funny.
It was known as the Venus drink. and considered Sincerité, Fraternité. The French Revolution is in full swing.
So we went from Mexico to Spain to France.
It was a bittersweet goodbye for the aristocracy.
That's so funny.
Marie Antoinette, the French queen, ordered herself a cup of hot chocolate for her last meal.
Quick and easy. This is so funny. It's like the people over at Disneyland.
Yeah.
I still go for lost. Oh my god. I live
Brand of chocolate. He was a skilled inventor and one of the first to produce chocolate by mechanical means. And Cailier was not the only pioneer on the shores of Lake Geneva. Charles Amédée Cola, Daniel Petter, and Henri Nestlé. Henri Nestlé was a visionary and invented a baby food product made from milk, wheat, and sugar, which became a huge success.
Now the black man who takes Broc.
The famous Cailler pralines. Rayon, the light, sweet treat with honey nougat chips and thousands of air bubbles.
The air bubbles that make it so.
June 1928, huge price drops on the stock exchange. Exports collapsed. Alexandre-Louis Cailler fought for the firm's survival from his office.
It's so cute. There's the two little telephones.
Yeah.
Nestlé was the ideal partner and already had a 40% stake in the company. With your international relations and our milk processing expertise, you become the largest producer.
The Cailler brand is over 200 years old. Brand names like Cailler
Not yet, so you have to come closer to the stations to activate. No, the Amazon train. Yes, in the 19th century, in the colonial times when Africa was colonized, the climate in soil turned out to be perfect for growing corn. So to this extent, they just point description.
In the Philippines, yeah. Because America, yeah. So what do we do? Just point it?
Okay. So no, you don't point. Sorry, you don't point here. You point here on the wall. The stations are on the wall. qualified standard like the
Yeah.
size.
So exactly, this one is a little bit bigger, so can do that, so fine there. Little heavy or light, can you see over the projector?
Yeah.
All in the red box. Hi,
Hello.
how are you?
I'm doing well. How are you?
Fine, thank you, sir. We take one of each, red, blue, green. 3 pieces. Bonjour. Bonjour. Vous prenez chacun 3
Merci.
Just from that. Take one of each. Green also.
What's that?